Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Tag Manager to Softr Pages step by step clearly. To connect Tag Manager to Softr Pages, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Once logged in, create a new container by clicking on the Admin tab. In the container setup, choose Web as the target platform. Next, copy the unique container ID provided to you. Now, open your Softr account and navigate to the project where you wish to add Tag Manager. In the Softr dashboard, click on the project settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find the custom code section and click to add a new code snippet. In the code snippet area, paste the Google Tag Manager container code you copied earlier. Ensure that you include both the head and body sections of the code for proper implementation. Once you've added the code, click Save to apply the changes. Next, return to Google Tag Manager and create your first tag. Choose the type of tag you want to set up, such as Google Analytics. Configure the necessary settings for the tag according to your analytics requirements. After configuring your tag, set up a trigger to determine when the tag should fire. Select an appropriate trigger type, such as All Pages, to track all user activity on your Softr site. Once you have set your trigger, click Save to finalize the tag setup. To ensure everything is working correctly, click on the Preview button in Google Tag Manager. This will open a new tab where you can test whether your tags are firing as expected on your Softr pages. Check your Softr site and verify that the Google Tag Manager is functioning correctly. Finally, return to Google Tag Manager and publish your changes. You have now successfully connected Tag Manager to your Softr pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.